The scientific method has existed since the beginning of time. It helps us understand and interpret the world around us. In fact, it is something very simple. Medicine, transportation, your cell phone, your watch, the materials that your clothes are made of, and many more everyday things are designed by scientists and engineers. What are the Clubes de Ciencia? Picture this. A group of young scientists and engineers, PhD students and postdocs from all over the world who deliver free, intensive, hands-on workshops on multiple topics of science, technology, engineering, and math. The workshops are called Clubes de Ciencia, and they are designed for high school and undergrad students in Mexico. What are these so-called Clubes de Ciencia good for? They're good for creating networks and sharing knowledge with future generations of students, for opening up doors and getting advice about scientific careers, and nurturing curiosity and motivation. The topics that the Clubes cover are all fundamental for our future well-being. Energy, neuroscience, biotechnology, nanotechnology, among many others. All for free. Knowledge, science, networking with students and researchers from all over the world, for free? Support Clubes de Ciencia Mexico and be part of this science and education revolution. Clubes de Ciencia Mexico.